Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to troubleshoot Ring Video Doorbell Pro. I have a Ring Video Doorbell Pro installed about almost a year ago, and it quit working yesterday. Actually, issue with this doorbell is not connected to my Wi-Fi at all. It's on offline right now, but if I press this button, it will ring bell inside, but it's not communicating with the app. So basically this doorbell at this point is not sending any Wi-Fi signal, or it's not receiving any Wi-Fi signal. So what we have to do, I go through the troubleshoot, and I'm gonna go through the camera how you can troubleshoot this doorbell and what is cost to do that one. So let's start with it. I'm gonna move my camera on side so I can open my cell phone side by side. Hey friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click on the subscribe button, then click on the ring bell button so you can get the latest video notification from my channel. So now I'm going to put my cell phone side by side and figure out what cost is not connecting to Wi-Fi, or how we can resolve this issue. So I'm on my cell phone. I'm also recording screen so I can post this video side by side to see what I'm doing on my phone and what it's doing, if just in case I missed that. So I'm going to lower the screen rating, so brightness, so we can see through the camera. So let's go to the Ring app. If you see, I have this Ring Video Doorbell, and it have a Wi-Fi and line on it. That means it's not connected to Wi-Fi over here. If I connect here, I go to setup mode. It's a front doorbell is no longer connected to the internet, so reconnect, continue, and over here they say you have to press the button and this light will circle. It means it's go to the setting mode. So what we have to do, we have to take this cover off to get to the side button, because this one have a cover already. So let's take the cover off. To take cover off, I have a screwdriver provided by Doorbell. When I bought a new one, I still saved it. So I have a flip and start side. We're gonna have a start side. So I have to access at the bottom of doorbell. There's a little screw. That's the screw. You pull them out, then you gently pull this cover out. It will come out. Now let's go back again, follow the instruction the way they say, and see if I can get connected. You can go to Ring app. I go connect on the Wi-Fi, reconnect, continue, and it says press button. I press button, it didn't do anything. Press again, didn't do anything. So it should be circling, so it means it's not getting in setup mode. So what we have to do, it's not joining because it's not in setup mode. It's not producing any Wi-Fi signal so I can connect with my cell phone. So what we have to do, probably we have to factory reset or reset, whatever. So we're gonna hold this button on the side for 20 seconds. This is for 20 seconds. I will hold more than 20 seconds or whatever until I see this light comes back on or circling something. It's been more than 20 seconds. It doesn't do anything. I have done everything off the camera earlier, so I'm trying to do once again so we can make a video. If somebody have the same issue, they can figure it out through my video. So what's wrong with this doorbell? So that's happened with me. Hold as long as you want. It will not do anything. it will turn off and on. I'm not sure that's the part of the reset. If you got your light back circling, then you have to go to back and your cell phone setting, set up as a new device. To set up as a new device, as you can see, I have a light. You should see over here. So it came back, and okay, as holding 20 seconds or more, this light turned off and came back. So now I'm not sure if it's in a setup mode or whatever. So to set up a new device, what you should do, you should open Wi-Fi, and this Ring doorbell is supposed to be show over here like as a new device. Or you can go to Ring doorbell and it says spinning light. It keeps saying unable to join. So unable to join. So basically this one not connecting to my Wi-Fi, or is not producing any Wi-Fi signal. It should show you Ring Wi-Fi and your Wi-Fi network, where your house Wi-Fi network. It doesn't show anything. I haven't done a lot of things. Nothing helped me. As I press button, a Ring doorbell inside, if it doesn't do it, then you have to take it off. There's 2 wires on the back side. You have to short it out together and see if you can hear Ring inside to make sure you have a power. There can be issue with your power source. You have the little transformer, 16 voltage DC transformer inside your house. Let's go to the transformer. As I have a transformer over here, I checked earlier, everything working fine, but we have a only issue with this Ring doorbell. So once you're done, couple things like you try to reset, it doesn't do it, then we have to take it off the wall. There's 2 screws, top and bottom, and we're gonna keep disconnect this wire for this is 10 seconds. We can disconnect for a couple more seconds. Recommendation is 10 seconds, but I'm going to disconnect more than 10 seconds to give them a little bit more time to reset. So after 10 seconds, 30 seconds, whenever you feel like 1 minute, give enough time to be reset, put it back. When you will turn on, it will also go to set mode. If you haven't reset or factory reset or whatever, it will connect to your Wi-Fi, the old Wi-Fi you already set up. It will take a couple seconds, minute, and it will connect to your Wi-Fi. It didn't work. If you have an issue like that, as it shows like you have a light, it's not going to setup mode, I think the best idea is connect to Ring doorbell help, as I did, and you can fix this doorbell without any cost. So what you do, you go to your Ring app, then go to this menu bar, go to help. Okay, there's option connect contact to. Okay, here there's a couple of options. You can chat, call, or find a store. So earlier what I did, I go to chat and I talk to the person, and even I have done everything, they ask me to do once more whatever they are saying. They go through the same setup I have done. They ask me to press this button for 20 seconds, like that. I done a lot of things, nothing worked. They also asked me to send a picture behind this module, the wiring. and my inside transformer wiring, so they can figure out if I'm not doing anything wrong. So after everything, they decided this doorbell module is defected. So, and the good thing about the Ring video doorbell, they give you this one for free. If you have something wrong with your doorbell, they will send you one free. So actually, after everything done, they sent me this email, that email stating they have sent me already a new one. It will be here in 5 to 7 days, and when I get the new one, I have to send this one back. They're gonna send me prepaid shipping label, a return shipping label. Then I have to put this one back, and they will get this one. So right now they charge me $1 on my credit card. The credit card I have already linked to the video doorbell because I have purchased the plan for a whole year to record my videos. So they charge me only for $1 to make sure that my credit card is working. I will get the new one, then I have to send this one back to them within 30 days. If I don't send this one back, they're gonna charge me full retail price of Video Doorbell Pro. So if you see you have a situation like that, you have a light off, it's not connecting to your Wi-Fi or something like that, I think best idea, you can start troubleshooting yourself. Quick tips, it'll work. Then probably you will connect to the Ring team, and because no matter what you have to do, troubleshoot with them, and they will decide if this this module is good or bad. You cannot decide, they have to decide, and they will send you new one. So at my point, this doorbell is not working. This piece is defective. If I press, it's work as a mechanical ring, but it's not working as a video camera. So I will make another video with the new doorbell, how to install or how to set up on the same Wi-Fi network and same plan I have already. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.